Hey, I'm Lena, your friendly LG product expert. I was just admiring this tower of laundry innovation, the brand new LG WashTower. The LG WashTower is a washer and dryer in a vertical unitary body that's more space efficient than side-by-side laundry units. The design not only looks great, but also has your ergonomic comfort in mind. It also frees up space in the laundry room for you to store supplies and fold laundry. Like peanut butter and jelly, or umbrellas with cup holders. Some things are just meant to go together. The WashTower's all-in-one center control combines the controls for both washer and dryer, all in one intuitive panel that's both easy to view and access. So it's much more convenient than having to operate the top and bottom panels separately every time you do laundry. Plus, it's much easier to move the wet laundry to the dryer versus having to crouch and walk like you would in a side-by-side setup. How clever! Speaking of clever, let me tell you about Smart Pairing. With this feature, there's no need to fiddle with a bunch of buttons every time you want to dry your clothes. Why? Smart Pairing has already shared your washer setting with the dryer. Yay, teamwork! Now what about the actual washing performance? Glad you asked. AutoSense AIDD technology can automatically sense the weight and the fabric softness of your clothes to determine the optimal wash pattern that will best clean and protect them from wear and tear. That's based on deep learning analysis of more than 20,000 wash patterns. The TurboWash 360 technology injects powerful water sprays from 4 different directions, getting you a clean that you've only dreamed about. All of this allows the wash cycle to be reduced to just 39 minutes. Okay then, but can the LG WashTower completely wash and dry a small load in 59 minutes? Why, yes! It's all thanks to LG's Prepare to Dry feature that preheats the dryer before the wash is done. So if you're like me who's always running behind, then this feature is for you. As you can tell, the LG WashTower takes clothing care to the next level. And with our Allergy Care cycle, you can take care of that hard-to-rid allergen from your clothes. You can use it in both the washer and dryer for double the peace of mind. What really sets the WashTower apart is LG's core technologies. The dual inverter heat pump in the dryer provides gentle and energy-efficient drying. The inverter direct drive motor in the washer offers exceptional reliability and runs quieter than ever, delivering sustained performance that's backed by a warranty to keep you free from worry. Plus, the innovative Ventless dryer makes the WashTower easy to install anywhere and easy to maintain. That sounds like a winning combination. Alright! Do you keep a busy schedule like me? The LG ThinQ app gives you convenient control over your smart home, including your WashTower. So you can schedule the wash to finish right when you get home, ready for drying. You can also use the ThinQ app to download dozens of extra wash and dry cycles customized for different types of clothes. So totally transform your laundry game and your laundry room with this intelligent, efficient, durable, and beautiful new LG WashTower. Your choice for a better life.
Cut.
Oh, all right. So can I keep one as perks? Because I'm, the model. My birthday just passed. This is fine too. I could just take this one. I don't know, like a new one. I didn't get anything for Christmas this year too, so I don't know. My dog died.